Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is Lachelle Trends. So today I am coming to you with a half up, half down hair tutorial. I recreated this look using an old wig of mine. So I hope you guys enjoy the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed. And let's go ahead and jump right into it. So this is the old wig that I will be using, you guys. I'm going to glue it down using the Got2b glue hairspray, and I'm just going to spray and then blow dry afterwards. So now I'm about to begin to part the two little thingies in the front of my head. I want to call them bangs or whatever you want to call them. I'm going to part that down the middle and make the two bangs that is going to be in this hairstyle. Once that is complete, I'm then going to begin to part out the ponytail. Now taking my hot comb, I'm just going to make the parts a little bit more distinctive. Now I'm going to use the hot comb again, but this time I'm going to make my ponytail a lot flatter. So yeah, I'm just going to use that hot comb one more time. Now using setting spray, I'm just going to put that all over my ponytail to put my ponytail in place, and then go ahead and, make my ponytail. So now I'm going to take this alcohol and get all of the residue from the glue off of my forehead, and yeah, we're just going to take this and go all along the perimeter of the wig. Now taking the setting spray again, we're just going to lay down our sides and form our baby hair as well. Now that we're all done, we're going to go ahead and get our scarf and wrap our hair up so that it can lay down. Now we're about to start curling our hair, you guys, and before we curl our hair, I'm going to spray some spritz on each strand of hair so that the curls can hold, and you girls know that pump it up is the best, so yes, let's pump it up. Once you're done with the top of your ponytail, we're just going to take a little strand and wrap that around the ponytail holder just to make our ponytail look a lot more seamless. Y'all, now just fluff out the curls to your liking, and yeah, y'all, we are done. So this is the finished look, you guys. I think it turned out flawlessly. I am very impressed on how I did. This is my first time doing a half up, half down hairstyle. So I hope you guys enjoy this look. I hope you guys enjoy the video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you did. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed. Okay, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.